Question number 7 of exercise 8.3. Maria invested rupees 8,000 in a business. She would be paid interest at 5% per annum compounded annually. Now Maria has invested, she has not taken any loan. She has invested 8,000 in a business and she would be getting the share of the profit. She will be getting the interest at the rate of 5% per annum. Compounded annually. The interest will be calculated annually. Okay. Now find the amount credited against her name at the end of the second year. Now when 2 years will be completed, after that how much interest she will get? Means she has invested 8,000 rupees. Now what is the total amount is which is credited against her name? So we have to find the amount for, it is given second year, na, that means for 2 years we have to find. So principal is given 8,000, rate of interest is 5% and time period is how much? 2 years. Okay. Now put all these values in the formula of this amount. Okay. And let's check how much amount she will get. If you want, you can reduce it to the lowest. Okay, if you don't want, let it be like this only, because zeros will be cancelled. Take 100 as the LCM. 100 plus 5, it will become 105. 105 upon 100, and it will come how many times? 2 times, because the power is 2. Okay, 2 zeros, 2 0 cancel, 1 0, 1 0 cancel. Okay, you can reduce it with 2 also. 2 5s are 2, 4s are 8, 5 say you can divide this also. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Now we'll multiply 4, 105 and 21. After multiplying we get 8,820. This is the amount. She has deposited 8,000 rupees. Now there is 8,820 rupees in her account balance. So that means she has got an interest of 820 rupees. Now they are saying find the interest for the third year. Now she has not withdrawn this money. It is still there. So she will get interest for the next year also. The second part is saying that find the interest, not the amount. That they are not asking the amount after 3 years. They are saying what is the interest she has got for the third year, only for the third year. Okay, like there are 3 years. For the first 2 we have got that this is the amount she has got. Now for the third year, what is the interest she will get? They are only asking the interest for that particular year. So we can find that interest using the simple interest. Okay, and in this what will be the principal? The principal will be this amount, because this amount has become principal for the next year. Rate will be same, it was 5%. And time, now time will not be 3 years. We are only calculating the simple interest for 1 year, for that third year, which is 1 year. No? So now we will calculate it. It will 0, 0 cancel, 5 2s are 10, divide this with this, 4 4 1 into 1, rupees 441. She is getting interest of rupees 441 in that third year. And if they are asking what is the amount at the end of the third year, this was the amount for this at the end of the second year. In this amount, this interest will be added, and that will be the total amount after 3 years.